In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to auto-post to Instagram using Make.com. Whether you're looking to streamline your posting routine for photos, reels, or carousels, this instruction will guide you through the process in just 5 minutes. Let's dive into setting up your automated Instagram posts. To begin, navigate to the Make website. This is where all the magic happens. Make.com is a versatile platform designed to connect apps and design workflows effortlessly. Once you're on the homepage, the first thing you need to do is click on Sign In. Use your credentials to log into your account. If you don't have an account already, go ahead and create one. It's a straightforward process and essential for proceeding any further. After logging in, you'll see the Make Home interface, your hub for all things automation. From here, locate and click on the Scenario option. Scenarios in Make are basically workflows. Think of them as recipes where you lay out the ingredients and steps to automate specific tasks. Clicking on Scenario allows you to choose or create the automated task sequence you desire. Next, click on Create Scenario. This is where you'll start building your automated post workflow. Now, once you're in the creation screen, you'll see an option to add. Clicking on Add will take you to a module selection area where you'll choose the apps you want to integrate into your workflow. In the search bar, type Instagram and select it once it appears. This step is crucial as it directly links Instagram to your automated posting workflow. Clicking on Instagram will present you with various actions you can automate. Among these, choose Create a Media Post. This specific action allows you to auto-post different media types on Instagram, covering photos, reels, and carousels. The final step within Make.com involves signing in with your Instagram account. Make sure you authorize. Make to connect with your Instagram profile. It's important to note that Instagram's API may require specific permissions, which are necessary to enable this automation. Granting these permissions ensures that your automated posts can be uploaded smoothly. And there you have it. With your scenario fully set up, your Instagram posts will now be automatically published as you've planned. This is ideal for maintaining a consistent posting schedule without having to manually upload each time. Make sure to regularly check both your Make and Instagram accounts to ensure everything is working as intended, and tweak the scenario as necessary to suit any changes or new content you wish to publish. Thank you for joining me in this quick guide to automating your Instagram posts. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to check other tutorials or reach out for additional support. Happy automating!